In recent years, thousands of additional coins have been launched, making cryptocurrencies one of the most popular public investment alternatives in 2021. Is AMP one of the most recently wise investments that you could make? To learn more about this, make sure to watch the video all the way along. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss what makes an AMP token distinctive, as well as its technical analysis. AMP token is an Ethereum-based open-source collateral platform that provides instant, verifiable assurances for every transaction. It can be used to secure transactions for a variety of purposes. This was created to enable decentralized Bitcoin transaction collateralization. AMP's architecture opens up new possibilities for improving asset transaction speed and security across a wide range of financial use cases, including payments, exchange, lending, remittance, and more. It is asset agnostic as well, because AMP's feature set is globally compatible with any type of value transfer, whether digital or physical. It can be used to support fast, irreversible transactions. On systems that allow it to, the token can be bought, sold, stacked, and used. To improve the market with agnostic collateral options, it employs a variety of features and protocols. The platform was designed from the bottom up to accommodate a wide range of tokens and assets. The network's core system, in particular, is ERC20 compliant. Users will be able to use any ERC20 compatible exchanges, wallets, and other services as a result of this method. So let's get started now on AMP token development. The Flexa network, which collaborated with the CONSENSYS team to create the AMP token, deserves credit for its creation. The company CEO, Tyler Spadling, stated that the crew spent half a year studying the platform to fully comprehend the importance of large-scale innovation. In September 2020, the token was launched. The AMP token has continued to hit milestones and expand since its inception. This is not unique to its pricing, but rather institutional support, which influences the cryptocurrency's price. The token can be purchased on a number of digital asset markets like Poloniex, Gemini, and Bittrex. AMP eases the burden of crypto payments between users and businesses who accept fiat or cryptocurrency payments, while also ensuring merchant legitimacy while taking user payments. Because funds are temporarily safeguarded during transaction processing while waiting for the blockchain to validate, this sort of cryptocurrency is utilized chiefly for business-to-business transactions. There are numerous challenges in the market that AMP helps to resolve. One main thing developers and users alike have long desired is this option to collateralize asset transfers. If asset transfers are not collateralized, they can be dangerous. Collateralization meant that customers had to rely on third party to ensure that the asset was backed up until recently. This requirement is replaced with a decentralized digital alternative. So, what are your thoughts? When consumers join the AMP network, they gain access to a variety of benefits. For starters, the protocol has an entirely self-contained collateralization system. The network's user-friendly interface makes it simple to collateralize both physical and digital assets. In minutes, anyone can use the network to collateralize their assets. You can enjoy quick transfers once your assets have been collateralized. The network allows for near instantaneous collateralization and transaction processing. The protocol can thus be scaled to suit the demands of the increasing digital economy. In 2021, it has a lot going on that could allow its market valuation to catch up to its actual worth sooner than most investors think. First, there have been reports that Amazon may soon partner with Flexa, the network that supports AMP. These are just rumors, and they are entirely hypothetical. But if this is true and these rumors become true, it will become the last straw for many who still believe that investing in cryptocurrencies is not for them. This will aid mass adoption at an unprecedented rate. Flexa not only has plans for the future, but they also have partnerships with companies like NCR, Clover, and Income, AMC, Sheets, and Shopify. The full potential of these alliances has yet to be realized. AMP will rise once Income adds Flexa into its 500,000 retail locations. Security is one of the critical concerns of developers. As a result, the team has gone to tremendous lengths to secure the network's security. Smart contracts on the platform have been audited, and the protocol is open source. In this approach, the community can access the system qualities. Users can verify every step of the process to ensure everything is above board, which is why open source projects are preferred over closed projects. On several levels, this method protects against fraud. They mainly focus on the platform's transparency, allowing customers to verify that all collateralized assets are genuinely represented. It enables the development of next-generation fraud-proof network and real-world application in this way. More importantly, top security research groups CONSENSYS Diligence and Trail of Bits have completed 2 extensive security audits of the AMP token contract and associated collateral management infrastructure. In total, 33 vulnerabilities were uncovered in 16 smart contracts across both audits, with neither CONSENSYS Diligence nor Trail of Bits identifying any serious concerns. AMP may achieve new heights as a result of recent development and modifications. Let's take a closer look at the AMP technical analysis now. In AMP coin technical analysis, we use past statistics, price patterns, RSI, and various other AMP information to analyze the future trend of cryptocurrencies. One of these factors to consider while determining whether AMP crypto is a viable investment or not is the coin's trading rates. Inverted head and shoulder patterns are utilized as indicators on the daily frame chart. The reversal of the declining trend in pricing is associated with this pattern. One of the most typical indicators of this deterioration is this. When the price falls, it will reach a bottom, after which it will begin to recover and climb again. It was also pushed back to another by market resistance. The price dropped to the point where the market couldn't keep it down any longer, and it began to rise again. The left shoulder, head, and right shoulder are the 3 dips created by this action. During this pattern, there are 2 rallies or pullbacks. One is located behind the left shoulder and the other is located behind the head. A trend line extending to the right connects to the high points of these 2 pullbacks. The neckline or resistance line is the name given to this trend line. The AMP coin's weekly technical chart indicates that the price will continue to rise in the coming days. On the daily chart, the price has come to a halt near $0.07. On the upside, resistance for the AMP coin price can be found near $0.1. While the coin price was declining, it bounced back approximately $0.04. With a bullish crossover in the past, the asset price is currently trading about the 50 and the 100 daily moving averages. The 50 DMA is currently near $0.61, indicating that the price is in a nearly temporary bounce-back region. On the daily chart, the AMP price has developed a strong momentum. If it breaks about $0.1, there will be a strong bullish move all the way. In general, a relative trading volume is a trading indicator that is mostly utilized by day traders to compare current trading volume to previous trading volume. Technical analysis includes AMP's moving average and exponential moving average, which aid traders in identifying patterns. The coin's value skyrocketed in February 2021. Since then, it has never let its investors down. According to Digital Coin Price, it gained 30% from its current price to $0.082 in 2021. By December, they expected the token to be worth slightly over 7 cents. The cryptocurrency will continue to rise, reaching an all-time high of $0.12 as early as March 2022. It'll hit $0.095 by the end of 2022 if the current positive trend continues. Furthermore, the first half of 2022 will see a rapid increase. That makes sense, given that the cryptocurrency is now available on a more commonly used platform and more investors are adopting it. As a result, the value of the AMP cryptocurrency may continue to climb as more traders become interested in it. With the continual improvement and changes to AMP platform, it seems to have a bright future. Yes, it is possible. So guys, with all that said, we've come to the end of our video. Hope it was informative and worthwhile. While in that case, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Also, while you are on it, hit the bell icon right beside you to stay updated with every AMP news. And guys, on a final note, allow us to remind you all that we are no financial gurus. Hence, while making decisions regarding investments, make sure you do your homework and research thoroughly and reach out to a certified financial advisor before making any move. Well then guys, keep all of this in mind, and toodles until we meet you in the next video.